how are you today? Welcome back to my channel, and today is all about the Live and Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. And yeah, I just wanted to quickly do a quick video. It's just a very brief video on dry shampoo, how you can use it on your natural hair, how you can use it on your weave. Obviously I'm wearing a wig weave, so I'm just going to use this on my wig. But before we get into the video, if you're brand new to my channel, have you hit the subscribe button? Or are you just going to have a really greasy hair because you're not going to know about this video? Oh, you have hit the subscribe button and you want to know more about this video? Okay, let's get into the video. So I have not washed my hair in literally, I don't even want to say when was the last time I washed my hair. Well, obviously it's weave, but I haven't washed it. I'm going to wash it today. So yeah, like let's say I'm out. I literally just shake it up. And then I just take like a thick brush and just brush it all out. And honestly, like before, I didn't know you could use like dry hair shampoo on like weave. I even sometimes use it on my natural hair, like when I straighten my hair and it becomes like thin, then I use dry shampoo. I use dry shampoo because sometimes I'm in a rush and I honestly don't have time to wash my hair, and this is like an easy, quick fix to washing your hair, making the hair less greasy, more maintainable and clean. And this is just their little travel size Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. And this isn't just any old dry shampoo. This is the best of the dry shampoos because it cleans beyond any normal dry shampoo. It is powered by their patented healthy hair molecule OFPMA and their triple action cleaning technology that absorbs and removes oil, odor and sweat and makes your hair smell and look clean. And what I love is that it works on all hair colors, leaving no trace. Obviously, you know, like the bottom of my hair is grey, the top of my hair is like brownish, blondish. So sometimes dry shampoos, when I like spray them, I get like this white residue which can definitely be seen in my hair, and that ain't pretty, guys. What I love is that there's no build up and it has a time release fragrance so that your hair smells clean throughout the day. It's not that it just smells clean at the beginning of when you're using the dry shampoo and then at the end of the day your hair's smelling raggedy. Nobody wants that. But yeah, I've got a full blog post on this product where I talk about the ingredients in depth so you can like read up about it. And it's just a quick tip for guys, for my fellow wig wearers and weave wearers. Listen guys, if you do not have time to just wash your hair, Live and Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo is for you. But yeah, that was a quick little video. So if you like this video, why not give it a thumbs up? If you think anyone can benefit from this video, I'll be happy for you to share this video. Why not share it? As always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the list of the links down below. But I guess I'll see you in another video. And remember to always stay what? Bougie.